My presentation is on natural disasters. These are some of the most common natural disasters in the United States and around the world. Um, First one we'll talk about is an avalanche. It's large amounts of snow that travel down a steep slope. There's two components to an avalanche: a snow-filled slope and something that triggers the avalanche. They are powerful enough to snap trees and destroy buildings. Um, Once an avalanche is finished, snow sets up very compact and makes rescue difficult. Avalanches have caused more deaths in the United States than earthquakes. Blizzards are snowstorms with strong winds and low temperatures. Winds are greater than 35 miles an hour, and the visibility is reduced to 400 meters as far as you can see. They typically last for 3 hours or more. Severe blizzards are categorized as winds over 45 miles per hour, almost zero visibility, and the temperature is less than 10 degrees Fahrenheit. Earthquakes occur when two plates shift or slide past each other. Plates touch at points called faults. Um, the focus is the point at which an earthquake begins. That point is underground. The epicenter is the point right above the focus. This is on the Earth's surface where it causes the most movement. Millions of earthquakes occur worldwide, and damage is strong enough to damage buildings and even roads. Hurricanes are defined as tropical cyclones with winds of 74 miles per hour or greater. They take days or weeks to gather enough strength to be considered a hurricane. The process starts in warm, moist conditions over water. The Coriolis force causes wind to spiral in a hurricane in the northern hemisphere. The wind travels counterclockwise. In the southern, the wind will travel clockwise. Hurricanes are categorized on a scale from 1 to 5, 5 being obviously the most severe. The eye is a circular area found at the center of the hurricane. Landslides are basically earth moving down a slope. Some landslides are abrupt, they move very fast, and are difficult to detect. These are harmful to people and can do a lot of damage. Gradual landslides move slow, about millimeters or centimeters a year, and are not very harmful to people but destroy property. Landslides are triggered by earthquakes or erosion over time. Thunderstorms. It's considered a thunderstorm when there's lightning, thunder, and rain. They are formed by rising warm, humid air, and after the air rises, it cools and condenses to form clouds, and the clouds release rainwater. To be considered a severe thunderstorm, hail is 3/4 inch or greater in diameter, and 58 mile per hour winds or greater, and tornadoes are present. A tornado is formed when cold air meets warm air. They take the shape of a funnel and usually are less than a mile wide, and tornadoes form over land while hurricanes form over water. Tornadoes have three different classifications. Weak, speeds are less than 110 miles an hour and last for 1 to 10 minutes. Strong, speeds are 110 to 205 miles per hour and last 20 minutes. And violent tornadoes, the wind speeds are greater than 200 miles an hour and last for about 1 hour. Tsunamis are large waves caused by earthquakes or volcanoes underwater. As waves travel toward land, they gather height. Their speed is determined by the depth of the ocean. As the ocean is deeper, it allows the tsunami to pick up speed, and in shallow parts of the ocean, it slows the tsunami down. Volcanoes are vents connecting molten rock to the earth. They are in a cone-like shape. When pressure rises from the water and CO2 and magma, a volcano erupts. And it's considered to be an active volcano when lava, gas, and rock erupt out of it. Here are all my sources I used in my PowerPoint presentation. They're the links to all the content and pictures in my show. Thank you.